first come in, you've got a kitchenette, storage behind each one of these doors here. Have a little fridge down there. To the right here is the bathroom. Shower's a little tight, but it works. It is nice having two sinks. We do have the bed, sofa bed taken out. Our daughter's been sleeping in that, said it's pretty comfortable. And the primary bed, cabinet. There's the ability to close this all the way if you'd like. And then for the balcony, you can go out either there or here. We're currently docked at Perfect Day. Two comfortable loungers. A nice table out here. And there's the door to where the primary bed is.